All right. At the end of a long, hard day, I like to put on my Saab hat, fire up the old 96, put her in gear, and go freewheeling. It's in freewheeling right now. I finally learned how to. Whoa! You're gonna lose the camera. Finally learned how to use the freewheeling feature on the Saab 96. So I thought I'd demonstrate it. Right now it's in freewheeling. I'm in first gear. I'm not going to touch the clutch. I'm going to shift it into second. No clutch. See the speedometer. Okay, we're going to downshift into second, no clutch again. Just having fun freewheeling. If you can see the tachometer, I'm taking it up to about 3,500 RPM. 3/4 tank of gas, right at about 175 degrees. Temperature. The clock says it's 3:20 almost, more like 3:18. The clock works. Speedometer is accurate. Trip meter, odometer, everything. The tachometer. Okay, I've still got the clutch out, going into second. You can't make a complete stop when you're in freewheeling without the assistance of the clutch. And we got a green flag. Coasting in third, going to go down to second, apply a little bit of brake because you don't have the convenience of deceleration through the engine. So now I'm going for the clutch and I'm going for first gear. So now we'll take off. First gear, second gear, up to 4,000 RPM, 4,100. Whoa. 25 mile an hour, who cares? We're gonna drive this Saab 96 until the wheels fall off. Could be any moment now. Third gear. No clutch at all, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna have to come to a stop though, or will I? No, I'm gonna do a rolling stop. Still no clutch, kept it in second. Speed says I'm going 27, going 27. Boom. God damn, are you okay? That was a nasty fall. Oh man. Who the hell is the camera guy? Oh, now I got my foot all funny on the clutch. Let's see. Railroad tracks. Hold on. Wasn't bad at all. We got a lot of loose stuff in the trunk. Hey! That's why you hear that rattling. Shit. Where all this traffic come from, man? It's wanting the clutch in now, so let's give it what it wants. Clutch in. First gear. Car's 1968. Still runs relatively well, considering its age. Hold on, buddy. Here we go. Freewheeling. It's the wave of the future. In the next 5 years, all cars will be freewheeling. The future is here now. The arrow. We're in third gear. We're still no clutch, ladies and gentlemen. We're in second gear. I'm going to hold on to you, buddy, so you don't fall down again. What was your name again? Hold on tight. Here we go. Some more railroad tracks. You're supposed to lift your feet. Hey! Danger, Will Robinson. You're coming in too hot. Geez, slow this thing down. Are you crazy? You think you're Al Unser Sr. driving a Saab? Is that who you think you are? Turn signal on. Brake pedal depressed. Second gear, arrow, it's on. There we go, buddy. Second gear. freewheeling, and you just don't use the clutch. It's kind of like an automatic. You're part of the automatic system with your right arm. But it's actually a beautiful thing. Now I understand why people say it's a Saab thing. Because before I got this car, I really didn't know jack shit. I didn't know anything. It's not like I'm an expert now, but I know a hell of a lot more than what I did. It's got a little Ford V4. It's in a V, it's a 4-cylinder. It's cute as hell, peppy. It's a great engine design. I guess that little engine went in the Saab Sonnet, and I understand it was used commercially and in fishing boats. I don't know if they're fishing or not. Maybe they ate fish while they rode their boat. Okay, lady, god damn it, would you fucking go? There you are. There goes the lady. If not, dude, look like a lady. Ow! Yeah, this is just wicked. Third gear, just coasting along, freewheeling, flipping off my neighbors as they go for no apparent reason. I guess I just feel empowered to freewheel. It's one of the best things I've ever done. I highly recommend it. So go out and buy yourself a Saab 96 today, ladies and gentlemen. Is this fucking thing even recording? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Let's get out and take a look around here. It's not a bad styled car either. You know, in the styling department. I think those Saab engineers, you know, they were looking for a cross between a, like, I don't know, rocket ship and a smashed beer can. Torpedo. Yeah. All right. Well, that's my Saab 96. Go out and buy one today. In fact, you can buy this one if you want. Just give me a call. Thank you, and good day.